This one's for all the single ladies out there. This Sunday, Valentine's Day, we're hosting a Galentine's Day gospel brunch. It's gonna be so much fun. We've got not only one, but we have 4 keynote speakers, powerhouse women that are coming to bring it. They gon' bring it. An author, a small business owner, a singer-songwriter. Yes, did I mention that we're gonna have a live performance? We're gonna be baking with none other than our very own Chef Lavette of Ms. Jackson Can Cook. So don't only mark your calendars, get your tickets today, right now. Tickets, tickets, tickets. And did I mention games? Oh yes, and giveaways too. Girls, get ready to come and party because we gonna have a good time on Valentine's Day. Get your tickets today for our Galentine's Day Gospel Brunch, and we'll see you on Sunday.